Matatag K-10 Curriculum Science 4 Quarter 1 First Periodic Test Reviewer. Direction: read each question carefully and choose the letter of the correct answer. Number 1. What significant invention did Thomas Edison create? Letter C. Light bulb. Number 2. What is one of the inventions by Roberto del Rosario? So the answer is karaoke. Number 3. Which Filipino scientist is known for inventing the jeepney? Leonardo Salvador. Number 4. What did Gregorio Waizara invent besides the videophone? Letter B. Solar-powered water heater. Number 5. Who invented the video telephone? Gregorio Waizara. Number 6. Which invention is used in education to aid learning? Letter A. Laptop. Number 7. What is an example of an invention in agriculture? Letter C. Tractor. Number 8. Which of the following does not belong to the category of household inventions? Letter C. Projector. Number 9. What invention has contributed to the improvement of health? Electronic mosquito repellent. Number 10. Which invention has greatly changed the way people communicate with each other? Cell phone. Number 11. What does the term flammability refer to? So the answer is letter B. Number 12. Which of the following is an example of a flammable material? Paper. Number 13. What chemical reaction occurs when iron reacts with oxygen and moisture in the air? Rusting. Number 14. Which material is considered biodegradable? Letter C. Number 15. What happens to a banana peel when it is discarded in a natural environment? The answer is it decomposes into simpler organic compounds. Number 16. What is a physical change? The answer is a change in the state or appearance of a substance without changing its chemical composition. Number 17. Which of the following is an example of chemical change? Burning of wood. Number 18. What happens to water when it is frozen? Answer is it changes into ice. Number 19. What is the process called when a liquid turns into a gas? Answer is evaporation. 20. Which of the following is a result of physical change? Melting of chocolate. 21. What is deforestation? Letter B. The cutting down of trees and clearing of forests. 22. Which of the following is a major cause of air pollution? The answer is car exhaust. Number 23. What is one of the significant consequences of improper waste disposal? Answer is pollution. 24. How does food waste contribute to environmental issues? The answer is it contributes to greenhouse gas emissions. 25. What is a practical action to reduce the harmful effects of deforestation? The answer is planting trees. 26. Which of the following is an example of scientific attitude? Letter B, curiosity. 27. What is a science process skill that involves grouping objects based on similarities and differences? Classifying. 28. Which of the following best describes the attitude of objectivity in scientific work? Reporting findings truthfully regardless of personal opinions. 29. What science process skill involves using the senses to gather information about objects or events? Observing. Number 30. Why is open-mindedness important in scientific research? It allows scientists to accept new and diverse ideas. 31. What is water pollution? So the answer is the contamination of water bodies with harmful substances. 32. What can cause land pollution? Dumping of garbage and hazardous waste. Number 33. Which of the following is an effect of air pollution? Breathing difficulties and other health problems. 34. How can communities help address garbage pollution? By practicing proper waste segregation and recycling. 35. What is an example of an environmental problem caused by human activities? Deforestation leading to habitat loss. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.